And we're back, Hwy83. Yeah, go ahead, just installed some metal door handles. I don't know if you watched that video, but we're back. Now, let's say you're a new Samurai owner, right? And you're noticing right off the bat, you're like, what the hell? Dude, my glass is about to blow up. You hear this? You see this? How loose? Now, we've all been there. If you've had a Samurai, you want to replace your door handles, you want to replace your rubber window felts all the way around the glass. So if you just bought a Samurai, I'm gonna set down my highlight, folks. You know how it goes. Yeah, go ahead. So probably the only piece left is running right in here. If you look around here, a lot of times this is so dry and broken, cracked that it fell into the door jambs, or who knows where it is, but this stuff sucks. It's 30 years old. Get out of here. So what we've got for you on our website, Hwy83Suzuki.com. If you don't know, now you know. We got the brand new seals. They come in pairs. Click, buy it. They ship fast as hell. They're at your house. Next thing you know, you're watching this video to install them. So boom, buy them. This is how you're gonna install them. Piece of cake, really. It's cold out, 25 degrees, mind you. So it doesn't go quite as good when they're cold. But you got your seals. When you unravel it, it's a big long seal. I like to take some Dawn dish soap, lubricate the rubber pieces that go down into these channels here. It's gonna help it slide down. You'll thank me later. So you can find, there'll be a little notch piece here for the 90-degree bend. That's how you know this part goes to the back. You can roll your window down, and you kind of want to just curl it up and just start stuffing her down into the channel, occasionally pushing in. I have the door panel off from the previous metal door handle installation video, so I can actually watch it go down into the channel from the inside. So that helps, but you don't need to take your door panel off. So you're just going to keep shoving it down, periodically measuring. We're at that point right now where our cutout for the sharp 90-degree bend, that's where we want it. So now we're just going to keep folding, pushing it in, pushing it in. Very simple, and this is like one of the best things you can do, because if you don't know about it, the Samurai glass is just rattling. It's enough to, see, now I got to go down just a touch more. It will drive you mad, the rattling glass. Sometimes it'll break the glass, and that's an expensive fix. So this is a cheap, easy way to get your first Samurai all fixed up. You can impress your friends. Tell them Hwy83 sent you. Now when you roll up the glass, you're gonna give it a good hard close, and then just leave it closed for a while. And that's gonna set this felt into its permanent resting spot. So I got it pretty saturated with the Dawn dish soap up here. So she's sliding in. Keep pumping her down. Pump her down. Working it, baby. Okay. Now you just gotta keep the tension on it and gotta pull up just a touch, get a little more slack around the bend up here. And we're basically done. So now we're just gonna go around it all. Make sure she's pushed into place. And you can roll up your, see you later, guys. We're gonna seal her up. That glass is going nowhere, folks. That's a nice tight glass. Again, roll it up nice and tight. Yeah, go ahead. And then just leave her sit there for, as long as you want. That's gonna embed the seal into its permanent resting spot. You're not gonna rattle anymore. It's gonna last you a super long time. They're cheap, fast, effective. That's the way you wanna do it, folks. So go ahead, buy a set. Buy a set for your buddy too, he'll thank you. Hwy83 Suzuki. We're gonna have a quick beer. We're gonna get the hell out of here. We'll make a new video real soon. How about that? You like them? Keep them coming. Yeah. We'll see you later, folks.